Your deadline to register to vote is the 8th of May.
The public will soon get the chance to vote to either repeal or retain the 8th Amendment of the Constitution, which currently bans abortion except in very limited circumstances. It's a complicated issue and we're not going to get into that right now, but first you need to make sure you're able to vote on May 25th. Firstly, you must be an Irish citizen. In other votes, British, EU and non-EU citizens are eligible to vote, but not in a referendum. You must also be 18. If you tick these boxes, you probably already registered to vote at some point in the past. Figuring out whether you did is very straightforward. You need to visit checktoregister.ie and input your details there. But be warned, it's not a foolproof way to make sure you're registered to vote. There's a range of reasons why your details may not be coming up, so don't panic. For example, if you recently updated your details, they may not appear immediately. To set the record straight, contact your local council and they'll be able to figure out whether or not you're registered to vote. If you're not registered to vote, you'll need an RFA 2 form. This is very simple to fill out and will add you to the supplementary register. If you need to change your address, you'll need an RFA 3 form. This is also very simple to fill out. If you recently became an Irish citizen, you'll need to fill out an RFA 2 form. If you recently became an Irish citizen and voted in other elections previously, you'll need to get an RFA 5 form. Now, there's a lot of numbers there. Don't get bogged down in them. If you go to checktoregister.ie and click application forms, you can download them all from there. You can also get them from your local library, post office or Garda station. All of these forms need to be brought to your local Garda station to be stamped and returned to your local council before May the 8th. If you don't get them back before then, you won't be able to vote, and if you're watching this video, that's probably something you want to do. That should answer any questions you have about registering to vote. If you have any other questions, email us on referendum@thejournal.ie.